your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses and all the glory were changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.